Have answered the call. Cacao. Will there be a chase? De Castro keeps it alive.
Chance ball for FEU.
One more chance for Cacao. Saavedra popped up. Amor.
Good dig from Espartero.
Between.
Really not making it easy for FEU. But that's going to be a big point for Amit Between. They need this 2 points.
Gutierrez. Okeke. Bring.
He will be the go-to. He will be entrusted the sets at this point on the side of Ateneo.
20.
We need a good first ball and a quick side out.
It's Almadro now serving and sweeping. Cacao. Between. Match point.
For Amit Between. Taking the pressure head on.
The target batas. Gutierrez. Ceballos with a save. Between na naman. And the FEU Tamaraws are back.
Not the easiest of matches for FEU. They were challenged by Ateneo up until the end, but I have to mention Amit Between in the last few sequences.